Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to work on Unit 5, Lesson F, another view. This is from your Adventures 1 book, page 68. Another view. Number 1, Life Skills Reading. Here we have a map. It seems to be a mall, right? A map of a mall. But we can see many places here. And also we can see some streets. If we talk about the streets, we have Lexington Avenue, 42nd Street, and Vanderbilt Avenue. Talking about places, we have parking lot, the movie theater, the police station, the food court, the shoe store, flower shop, bank, computer store, pharmacy, and the toilet. So you can see the signs here, right? This is for the bus stop, which there is one on 42nd Street, food on the food court. This one, the I is for information, P for parking, and the two people for the toilet. Perfect. Now let's apply what we have learned in this unit. It says A, read the questions. Look at the map, fill in the answers. You can stop your video here, read the questions and answers, and select your answer. Then you can come back to the video and check your answers. In order to get the correct answers, you need to use this map, right? Perfect. Now let's check your answers. Question number 1. Where is the pharmacy? It's between the shoe store and the bank. It's on Lexington Avenue. It's next to the computer store. It's across from the shoe store. Well, according to the map, it's next to the computer store. The pharmacy is next to the computer store. Question number 2. What does toilet mean? The options: restroom, bathroom, ladies and men's room, all of the above. Well, this last answer means todos los de arriba, right? Well, answer for number 2 is all of the above. Yes, a toilet could be a restroom, a toilet could be a bathroom, or a ladies and men's room. So that's why we select all of the above. Now, question number 3. Where is the police station? A, it's on Vanderbilt Avenue. B, it's next to the shoe store. C, it's on Lexington Avenue. D, it's on the corner of Lexington Avenue and 42nd Street. Okay, so the answer is it's on Vanderbilt Avenue. Yes, you can always go back to check the map and see your answers. Now, question number 4. Where is the flower shop? A, it's next to the police station. B, it's across from the computer store. C, it's between the shoe store and the bank. D, it's on Vanderbilt Avenue. So the answer is it's between the shoe store and the bank. Yes, if you look at the map, you will find the flower shop between the shoe store and the bank. Perfect. Let's move on to the next activity. This is activity B. Solve the problem. Which solution is best? Circle your opinion. You always have to understand this. There is no wrong answer here. because what you're going to do is give your opinion. Sandra parked her car in one of the parking lots at the mall. She can't find her car. What should she do? Number one, call her husband. Number two, go to the parking lots and look. Number three, call the police. Number four, order. So you can select any of the answers. Just be mindful that on number four, if you select other, you have to explain what other thing would you do, right? So if we analyze them, call her husband. Well, her husband may be far away and he may not be much of help. Or maybe he will tell her what to do, right? So that's one option. The second option, go to the parking lots and look. Well, that's always an option, right? You go back to the parking lots and you walk around, but it may take a lot of time and a lot of walking, but it is an option. Number three, call the police. Well, I will say that calling the police, I will leave that one as the last resource. But maybe for someone may work first, right? You can select that also. And finally, number four, other. Well, in my experience, many times when I ask this same, when I present this same problem to people in my classes, they will say, well, use your alarm. Go to the park and use your alarm. You may hear your car by doing that. So that's a combination of go to the parking lots and look, but not only look, use your alarm from the car, press it, and you will hear the sound. And the sound will guide you to find your car. Great. Now let's continue with our next activity. Activity number 2, that's grammar connections, negative imperatives. Negative imperatives, they're telling you what not to do. During the whole unit, we've been saying what to do, right? Well, now we're going to focus on things that we shouldn't do. So the affirmative is turn right on Elm Street. Use cell phones outside. The negative, don't turn left on Elm Street. Don't use cell phones in the library. Remember, we said don't is the same as do not. And in order to create negatives, we're going to use don't before the base form of the verb. Okay, well, we're gonna watch a little video to practice all this.
Negative imperatives. Unit 5, Lesson F. Don't turn left on Elm Street. Watch and listen.
Don't turn left.
Don't use cell phones.
Don't ride bicycles.
Don't litter.
Don't is short for do not. Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Complete the sentence. Then listen to the sentence.
Don't turn left.
Look at the picture. Complete the sentence. Then listen to the sentence.
Don't use cell phones.
Look at the picture. Complete the sentence. Then listen to the sentence.
Don't ride bicycles.
Look at the picture. Complete the sentence. Then listen to the sentence.
Don't litter.
Let's review. Affirmative.
Turn right on Elm Street.
Negative.
Don't turn left on Elm Street.
Affirmative.
Use cell phones outside.
Negative.
Don't use cell phones in the library.
Don't is short for do not.
Now let's go to our activity A. Work with a partner, match the signs and the words. So you can stop your video here and work on this. You have all the negative imperatives on your right side. Please repeat them after me. Don't park here. Don't litter. Don't ride bicycles. Don't use cell phones. Don't turn left. Don't fish. Now stop the video and work with your partner to match the signs and the words. Now that you have finished, let's check your work. They did number 1 for us. Number 1 is E, don't turn left. Number 2 will be letter D, don't use cell phones. Now look at number 3. That's letter C, don't ride bicycles. Let's go to number 4. Don't fish. Very good. That's letter F, right? Then for number 5 is B, don't litter. And litter means tirar basura, right? So don't litter. Now number 6. Number 6 is letter A, don't park here. Perfect. Now you know the signs and the meaning for each one. Let's move on to the next section. Activity B, work with your partner. Where do the signs go? Write the numbers from 2 to 8 on the map. Okay, so now we're gonna place the signs on this map and we need to use the numbers from the previous one. So we have number 1 is don't turn left. Number 2, don't use cell phones. So we're going to use these numbers, okay? Wherever is necessary. Now, you can pause the video here and place the numbers in the correct place. Now that you have finished, it's time to check your work. Let's pay attention. Number 1 is don't turn left on Elm Street. So if you are on Park, that sign is here. It says don't turn left because the direction of the street is right. Okay. Now for B, it says don't use cell phones in, well, I will place it here. In the library. Don't use cell phones in the library. Use them outside the library. Now, our sign number 3 will be here because it says don't ride bicycles. Well, don't ride bicycles on the grass, right? Perfect. Our next sign is number 4, don't fish. Well, it goes here, yeah, by the lake. They're telling you don't fish. They want to see their fish there swimming. Now, our sign number 5 is don't litter. We're going to place it here because it's near the trash cans, right? So don't litter. Put the trash in the correct place, in the trash cans. And finally, sign number 6, right here. Don't park here. Why? Look at this car. It is blocking the way where we walk. And you can tell there's a police officer here giving a ticket to the owner. Yes, because he shouldn't park there. Okay, now let's move on. For our reading practice, reading aloud practice, we have the same paragraph. So let's do it again. The popularity of streaming services. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney Plus, and Spotify have changed the way we consume entertainment. People can watch movies, series, and listen to music anytime and anywhere without needing physical copies or cable subscriptions. This has led to a decline in traditional TV and radio, as younger generations prefer on-demand content. However, the number of streaming services is increasing, and some users feel overwhelmed by too many subscription options. Additionally, some companies have started to introduce ads, making the experience less enjoyable for some viewers. The competition among streaming platforms is fierce, and new technologies like virtual reality and interactive content may shape the future of entertainment. Will stream services continue to dominate, or will new forms of media replace them? We will see in the future, right? Okay, so you can go back, listen to it, and read it aloud. The next activity, we have common phrases, important phrases that you need to learn. So there are 10 ways to say thank you and 10 ways to respond to thank you. So please repeat after me. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thanks a million. Thanks for your help. Thanks for helping me. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful. That's so kind of you. I can thank you enough. This is for extremely important things. I owe you one. This means you want or need to do a favor for the other person in the future. Yeah, between friends, mostly, or family members, you may say that, right? I owe you one. That means you will do something good for them in the future. Now, the 10 ways to respond to thank you are the following. Please repeat after me. You're welcome. No problem. No worries. Don't mention it. My pleasure. Anytime. It was the least I could do. Glad to help. Sure. Thank you. Use this when you also have something to thank the other person for. Okay, well, with this activity, we finish our lesson for today. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.